yet. Sige, for O6, ayun sa O8 nakapag-decide na. Sa O6 na lang ang hindi. How about O7? Hindi pa din. O sige, decidean nyo na kung sinong group, which, sinong group ang mag-report for chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Tapos, pag-usapan lang natin yung magiging diskarte natin dun sa reporting. So, dun sa reporting, since there are holidays na tatapat ng Sunday, so gawin natin, every group must record their presentation. So, kahit yung usual na record kung paano didiskartehan, then upload nyo sa Google Drive. But, yung recorded videos is for everyone's reference lang, and if in case mawalan ng pasok, but every group will still report on our class. Understood? Yun. So, 26, next week, we won't be having our class muna, so you can do your reporting, your recording for the reporting. And then, after that, next week, 26, lahat tayong klase, you can do the recording for your report, and then for, bang 26, then, the following week is, nako, wala ding pasok, November 1. Sige, for the following week na la. Ay, tama ba? November 2 pala. It's November 2. So, sige, you still have 2 weeks to do your report, to record your report. And then, at November 9, let's start the reporting. So, let's have 2 groups to report their respective topics. Then, ano na lang siguro, minimize the examples na lang. Kasi I will be requiring 3 examples for each formula in the topic. For example, in chapter 6, there are, let's say, 5 formulas. Each formulas, you will create 3 examples. The examples should be created by your group. Hindi galing sa ChatGPT or hindi din galing sa internet. So it would be created by your group so that you can fully understand the topic that you will present. So yon, malinaw doon sa part na yon, sa reporting na part. So every formula that is within your topic or within the chapter that was assigned to you or that is assigned to you, you will have 3 examples for each. And then, ayun, discuss it in your video recording. But on our presentation for November 9, since our time will be limited, you can present at least one. So, mabilisan lang na presentation, ano. Tapos, ano pa ba ang kailangan natin? Ayun, so, the topics or the examples that will be presented by your group will be compiled in a Google Drive. So that's what we've agreed upon naman on our discussion before when I presented to you the options for your quiz 2. So all of you chose the reporting part and the take home quiz, where your take home quiz will be the chapter test from chapters 1 to 10. So your examples will be compiled in a Google Drive, the same with sections 01 to 05. So that will be our pool of questions for your final exams. From your samples, we will choose the questions from there. So mula dun sa mga tanong or mula sa mga examples na in-upload ninyo from the Google mula sa mga examples ninyo from your reporting, doon kami pipili ng problems na ibibigay sa inyo for the final exams. So, ibig sabihin, for every formula, you have 27 problems to study. Pero hindi i-memorize up to you if you will memorize the problems. But I suggest that understand the principle and the process para hindi kayo mahirapang mag-aral, no? So, syempre, discard nyo naman yan on how will you study. It's on you on how will you study the problems. But that's 27 problems for each formula since you are 9 sections sa second year. So, yon. Tapos, for your problem set pala, I'll send you the problems for your problem set. That's 12 problems ata or 13 problems if I'm not mistaken. And then, submit it na lang by... Someone wants to join. Submit it by... Saan ba yun? 9... By November 16. Submit it by November 16. Okay lang? Okay lang naman yung binigay kong submission or deadline sa inyo. Maluwag naman sa inyong lahat. Di naman kayo busy noon. Ayan, submit your problem set na lang by November 16 and I'll send you the problems na lang. Sir, hard copy po. Yes, hard copy. The usual problem set, engineering lettering, tapos with margin. Ang margin ay 1 by 1, 1 inch by 1 inch. Ganun ba kayo mag-problem set? Yun. Yung problem set na format, the usual, 1 inch by 1 inch na margin, then that's 12 problems, tapos engineering lettering. Then, ano pa ba? Ayun na, malinaw naman na magre-record kayo ng presentation ninyo for your reporting. So, ano ba yung purpose? Bakit kayo pinag-record? Yun nga kasi there are Sundays that are holiday. So, we won't conduct our classes there. Then, anytime, if you want to study, you can review the video or you can review the report for your reference para makapag-aral din kayo. Para hindi sagadan ano. Kasi pagka nag-reporting tayo ng hindi kayo nag-record, mabibitin tayo sa oras kasi nga may mga walang klase. Tapos ano pa ba? Questions or clarifications so far? And then ano pala, upload your presentation din pala on... Hindi, sige, ako na lang gagawa ng Google Drive. Gawa na lang ako ng folder. Tapos, upload your presentation din sa by November 9. Ay, hindi, by November 9. Tama. By November... tama, by November 9. Yun. Then, the first group will present their topic by November 9. November 9, we have chapter 1 and chapter 2. So, yun. Ano na lang, pasadahan nyo lang ng mabilis since may video recording naman. So, yung other examples na hindi madi-discuss from your report, edi panoodin na lang. So, okay naman yun sa inyo, yung timeline natin. You have, enough time to do the report and to record yourselves para mag-discuss nung topic na na-assign sa inyo. Tama? Okay, sige. Questions or concerns so far? So, ano pa bang kailangan kong i-discuss about sa reporting? Ayun lang naman yung ano, yung kailangan kong sabihin sa inyo. If may nakalimutan ako or if may tanong kayo, pag-usapan na lang natin sa GC. Malinaw sa lahat? Clear? Understood?
Yes po, sir.
Ayun. So yun, kung medyo nahirapan ng midterms or nahirapan sa midterms, makakabawi naman sa finals. As per Sir Dean sa handle ng Section I, parang wala daw atang nakapasa. Sa inyo, i-check pa. Checkan ko pa. Kasi ang dami. So yun, ano naman, kaya nyo naman yung bawiin pa sa finals. Tapos yun, sa reporting ninyo, sa quizzes ninyo. Yung quiz, ongoing din yung pag-check ko sa quiz ninyo. So, ano na lang, pagka nag-meet tayo ng, ano ba yung November 9 natin? Face-to-face ba yun? 26, next week face-to-face dapat tayo, no? Face-to-face, online. Ayun, face-to-face tayo ng November 9. So, I'll try to check your papers by November 9 para maibigay ko sa inyo yung results ninyo. May pakita ko sa inyo. Tapos, maibalik nyo na lang sa akin yung papel, ano? Kasi gagamitin ko din siya for portfolio. Kailangang i-compile yung mga papel ninyo. Tapos, siguro November 9, mabilis ang discussion lang din tayo ng ano ba? Mabilis ang discussion tayo ng mga sagot. Paano i-solve yung sagot or ano yung solution doon sa midterms. Questions pa? Wala naman na. Yun, so mabilis lang naman na meeting since yun nga, i-discuss lang about sa reporting. And then yung submission nung ano ninyo, nung take-home quiz. Ano bang week na tayo? Alam niyo ba kung anong week number na tayo? Kalahati. 9? 10 na ngayon. Week 10. Tama ba? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Finals. Kailan kayo papatok ang finals ninyo? Ang daming holiday ng Sunday. November 30. November 2. Holiday yung November 30. So, by November 23 na lang yung take-home quiz ninyo. Submission ng inyong take-home quiz doon sa module. Tapos, ano na lang, siguro gawin na lang natin is problem set type. Pero hindi nyo na kailangan hindi nyo na kailangan kopyahin yung problem. Sagot na lang. Tapos lagyan nyo lang chapter 1. Tapos number 1, 2, 3, 4, chapter 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then sagot na lang, solution and answer. Yun na lang ang natin sa problem set. Sa typewriting pa din, para siyang problem set type, pero hindi nyo na kailangang isulat yung problems. Solution and answer lang yung isusulat. Okay? So, yun yung mga deadlines natin, So, by November 9, you should upload your video recording of your presentation and then the PowerPoint presentation. Kailangan ding may upload. And then, November 9 din, yung problem set natin. Submission of problem sets by November 9 and then by November 23, yung submission ng inyong take-home quiz na which is yung chapter test from chapters 1 to 10. Question?
Sir, yung PSAT po ba ay hindi sa November 16?
PSET. 16 ano ba sabi ko kanina? 16 ba sabi ko kanina? 16? Sige, 16. Gawin natin 16. Bale, November 9, reporting. Sige, para malinaw. November 9, reporting tayo. Anything na related sa reporting, doon yung uploading, yung simula nung reporting ninyo, November 9. And then, November 16, problem set. Then, November 23 ay take-home quiz. Okay na? Okay, sige. Concerns pa or questions? Yes.
Bond paper po gagawin yung problem. Tsaka,
Yung problem set, tsaka
quiz
yung
po.
take-home quiz. Sa bond paper. Short bond paper. Short, ha? Ano pa? Tanong. Mag-send ako ng template nung title for your problem set and for your take-home quiz. Para may ano kayo, may magayan, mapagkunan ng template. Yes, question? Yes, tanong po. Anong tanong pa? Miss Makasinag?
Hello
Hello?
po. Hello po. Good afternoon po. Tanong ko lang po about po sa pagre-record po ng presentation. Kailangan po ba ay record po talaga or pwede po kaming like mag-edit po kung saan po kami comfortable po. Thank you po.
Kung saan kayo komportable, pwedeng mag-edit kayo. Wala namang problema sa akin. Gusto nyo, mag-report kayo sa isang bakanting classroom, tapos videohan yung mga sarili ninyo, wala din problema. As long as nakikita yung problem and maintindihan. Tapos, gusto nyo, pwede din kayong mag-record through Google Meet. Wala din problema. Doon naka-present, tapos mag-record kayo through Google Meet. Okay lang din naman. Diskarte ninyo. Up to you kung anong gagawin ninyong type of recording. As long as nakikita yung sample problems, madidiscuss ng maayos, and then yung solution ay makikita. Questions pa?
Okay po, sir.
Okay, sige. Kung saan kayo komportable, as long as makapag-provide kayo nung video recording. Questions or concerns pa? Wala na. If none, that would be all. And see you all sa November 9. And then don't forget the deadlines that we have set for the problem set, take-home quiz, and your reporting. Okay? Thank you for attending and for spending a little bit of your time. Alam kong kayo nagpapahinga dahil medyo nakakapagod yung dumaang linggo, midterms, non-stop na aral. Ayun lang, thank you for attending and see you all sa ating sunod na klase. Ingat!
Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
po,
sir.
sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you po.